Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and do me a favor. Let's get this video started. Hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. In this video, I'm going to show you, we got a Honda Accord. It's got a brand new battery. Come out to the vehicle, and the battery was dead. Hooked it on the charger, and it fires right up. But we realized that we got a problem. It was like, man, this battery's brand new. Why has this car got a dead battery? Turns out, in here in the glove box, the light there's the switch right there. Right there, you can see the prong. Well, it's not closing all the way. So the light, let me see if I can turn on the lights here. The light bulb that's right inside there in the glove box is staying on, and it's draining the battery. So yeah, if any of y'all else out there have a Honda Accord and got this problem with the switch right here in the glove box, let me know down there in the comments. Like I said, we can close it, but I don't know if y'all can see inside there, but you can see it when it's dark out. The switch isn't getting pressed in, and there's no factory spot here for a grommet, so it's not pressing that switch in and turning the light off. So yeah, let me know out there on YouTube if y'all got any of these problems with these Honda Accords. If y'all not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Y'all hit the thumbs up button. Y'all have a great day.